Una good morning, all of una wey dey lis ten to me today. My name na Williams Glory and I bring una the Open Heavens on the go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens Devotional na daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye write. Today na Saturday, 10th of February 2024. Happy weekend. Our topic for today na follow up dey important to God. Our memory verse dey for Jeremiah chapter 23 verse 2, and e talk say, dis na wetin the oga wey be Israel God talk about the rulers wey suppose care for a people, because una no care for my people and una scatter and drive dem comot. I go punish una for the wicked things wey una do. Our Bible reading dey for Jeremiah chapter 23 verse 1 to 8. E go bad well well for those leaders wey suppose care for my people, just as shepherd dey care for im sheep, but dem no do am. Instead, dem destroy and dem come scatter my people. Dis na wetin the oga wey be Israel God talk about the rulers wey suppose care for im people. Because una no care for my people and una scatter dem and I come drive dem comot, I go punish una for the wicked things wey una do. I go gather my people wey remain from the country where I scatter dem put, come bring dem come back to their land. Dem go get many children, come prosper for everything and for every side. I go choose rulers wey go care for dem. My people no go fear at all, and I no go punish dem again. Me wey be God don talk. God say, the time dey come wey I go choose better king from among David children. He go rule the land with wisdom, come do wetin dey correct and good. When he become king, Judah people go dey safe and Israel people go stay for peace. Dem go call am, na God be our righteousness. God say, the time dey come when people no go use my name take swear say, you be God wey dey alive, wey take Israel people comot for Egypt. Instead, dem go say, you be the God wey dey alive, wey bring Israel people come back from the land for north and from the other countries where you scatter dem go. For that time, dem go dey their own land. Now the message. For our Bible reading today, we go see God's mind about follow up. We go see say e no dey joke with follow up at all. E talk say pastors and every other people wey God don put in charge of other people, make dem feed im sheep. If dem no do am, dem dey scatter the sheep be that o. And plenty problem dey for those kind people. For Jeremiah chapter 23 verse 7 and 8, he talk for there say e no want make people just know am as God wey bring im children comot for Egypt, but as God wey bring im children comot from bondage, come bring dem come heaven or Zion. God no dey okay make you just dey preach give sinners o. Apart from make una encourage dem make dem confess their sin and make dem surrender their lives give am, e dey more interested make you dey follow up on dem until dem don die go heaven. Make you learn from the old apostles dem. After Paul don win souls for one place, he go stay with them for some time to make sure say dem strong well well for their faith. We fit see am for Acts chapter 18 verse 11, Acts chapter 19 verse 10, Acts chapter 28 verse 29 to 32. Even when he comot, he dey always send dem letter all the time to make dem strong well well. Na because of these letters dem wey we read for Bible today, na im dey give us strength till today. E dey also dey create time to visit dem so dem go fit dey strong well well. That one we fit see am for Romans chapter 1 verse 11. For Acts chapter 15 verse 36, Bible talk say, if we wan compare am to the time wey we dey so, after you don win soul finish, come collect their number and you come dey call dem and also dey send dem message to take strengthen dem. You must also dey visit dem o, to see how dem dey do. Visit the church when dem dey go, to see whether dem don join workers, and also to see whether dem dey serve God well well as dem suppose to serve am. Make you give dem opportunity to take ask you question about how their waka with God take dey. The people wey just give their life to Christ, dem dey like to ask question well well, so you must dey ready to always answer their question. You must dey ready to also explain Bible give dem. No just leave dem make dem turn meat for devil o. Make you make sure say you follow dem up well well until dem don dey strong for Christ. The main point for today's message be say, God wants make you dey follow up on people wey just give their life to Christ, but make you make sure say they stay for God's side till they die. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o. Till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.